Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, October 21st, 2024. So we saw a little bit of everything today, but for the most part, it was really the Bears' day. I mean, we only closed down 10 points, but as far as trading wise, it was pretty easy. When we're getting this bounce, this is where we're looking right in between the 58.65, 58.70 in the area there. And I really what it was is I built a condor and using the 5900s and then using the 5825s. So I thought there was enough room here, but obviously it came straight down and then took out these stops. Anybody who just left it and was okay with dealing with a little bit of stress, this trade was easy because it wasn't going back up to 5900. So anyway, that worked. But when we bounced up, we weren't really done with this yet, because we're still in the initial stages of this down cycle. It's starting to move. We're a little bit past the initial stages, but there should still be more selling pressure than buying pressure. If it's going to play out through the market breadth. So this on the way up, I started selling the 58.55s. So it was what I put in the room was I'm going to add at the 58.40, 58.48, and then I was going to get it up at the 58.52, and I was not able. They didn't get it because I had to order in to short it if it got above 58.53, because you can see this is our retracement level right here. So I only had half, and then once we started pulling back, I took half off and then closed it for another easy trade. Anybody that held it, because we were using the 55s and the 60s. Let me just double check. Yeah, it was at 55.65. So anybody that held it, this was stress. I don't hold until the end of the day because we get these stupid moves, and if you get caught on the wrong side, which we were short the vertical, so we were long premium, so we didn't want it up here. But like I said, I covered it down here. Made decent profits. Whoever held it, again, a little bit of anxiety towards the end of the day, still closed under the 55. So they both of those trades expired worthless. Which, when you're looking for premium, hang on one second. Okay, so when you're looking to sell premium, that's what you want. You want these to expire worthless. So then what happens is you just buy, what you sold for $1.70, you're buying back for a nickel. So that's really the concept of it. So anyway, if we head higher, obviously this is the 58.62 is resistance. This is what the Bears need to hold. If they get above it, then we could do another fib line. Dang, hang on one second. Bear with me. Okay, so if they get above the 70 level, then we can keep an eye right on this resistance. But I would continue to be looking for short setups. That's really the best way to do it. I'm not saying that we're going to crash, but I think for the next few days we're going to see some pressure on the bulls, and that means it's going to be selling. So we want to be looking for short opportunities on this. So the Bears, what do we need to do here? We made it right down to my pivot in the morning notes. I said if they took out this support right here at the 58.40, that we were going to come down to the 58.25, came down to 58.24. So that pretty much followed as planned. If the Bears can get through this, now we're looking down at this support level right here, which is right around that 5,800. And then, really, this is the important zone that they need to get through. And until that they do, the Bears push it through, we can see some downside pressure, but it's not really going to get any momentum going. But if they can get through these levels, that's where momentum will pick up. So we had sell signals on the 60-minute chart here as we made this high. We got into the oversold levels. We're bouncing a little bit, but nothing. It's kind of just neutral right now after today. And on the upside, if the bulls decide to try and push it through this, then we're going to have to look at the at the 5,900, the round number up top on it. But I would be very, very careful on the short side. I mean, on the long side here. I just think that as much as everybody's betting on Trump winning, there's still a lot of things that this deep state can throw out and really throw a wrench in it. And I think that's going to have to start getting priced in. But for now, have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.